Hello guys, today we are doing a review of FitBit Charge 2. Here is the unboxing. You can see the FitBit box here. This is the color of the FitBit which we are getting in this box. So let's unbox it. This one is the larger size one actually. That's why it says L. The packaging is quite good, like opening a premium packet. Here you can see the FitBit logo. Now here is the actual band. Here are some instruction manuals. Here you go. This is the actual band itself. FitBit Charge 2. Here is the heart rate sensor and your monitor, and this is your display. This is not a color display, it's a black and white OLED display. So here are the manuals, and inside I guess it will be the charger itself. This is a kind of clip-on charger. It directly clip into the back side of the FitBit. Here you go. This is how you need to charge it. Now just unwrap this thing. It's a decent size screen. Here is the closer look of the heart rate sensor. By the way, it also scans your sleep also, so you can wear it at night and monitor your sleep. If you long press the power button, the display will show up like this. It says go to that website, download the app. Right now it will not do anything. Now we'll open up the app. We have not set it up yet, so now we need to set up our band. Add the FitBit. Now it will search for the FitBit nearby. So ours is a Charge 2, so we'll select that one. Pair it. I agree. It says connect to the charger. Now it will search for our Fitbit. Here you go. Now a pin will appear on your Fitbit, which you need to type it on your application like this. Now pair it. Okay, actually our battery is too low, that's why it's unable to synchronize right now, so we'll connect it to a power bank with that charger. Now it will load this up. You can see the bar, red color bar on the app, and white color status indicator on the Fitbit. Yeah, Fitbit logo appears on the display. Yes, there is a tick mark. It says done. So it will tell what all you can do with your Fitbit. It has a quick view feature, like if you hover your hand over to your eyes, it will show the time and everything. You can choose your which wrist you want to use. So generally we use left one. So here are the different colors which are available in, and you can customize with. So here are some activities you can do with it. So everything is set it up, finally set up. So here are the footsteps. Right now it's in 0. Here is the quick view feature. If you get closer to your head, it will show the display. If you tap on it, it will show different modes and how many steps you've taken. Here you go. It will count your footsteps in real time. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Bye.